If you're collecting customer data, pretty likely there is some kind of contractual restriction that governs how you collect your customers' data. There's also going to be data privacy laws that you have to adhere to, but the terms of your permitted use of data, like I am collecting data type X for purpose Y, is a really important customer obligation, and you need to know it. If you kind of run afoul of this, you can be subject to some huge fines from data privacy regulators. And there have been companies that have been subject to huge fines for using data collected for improper purposes. And it can also leave you open to consumers or class action lawsuits. And really, both of these can seriously add up. So you need to know how you're permitted to use your customers' data. Problem is that you may have sort of different policies across different products, and your policies may have changed over time. You may have different policies even across different regions. And knowing the details of these policies and what you have actually signed up with your customers is pretty critical. And that information is in your customer contracts. So you need to know what they say about permitted use of data. In order to find this, if you haven't been keeping close track, you're going to have to read through all your contracts. The positive news is that you can use artificial intelligence to help with this. Contracts AI can automatically read contracts for provisions like permitted use of data, pull this information out, and give it to you so that you can create a clear map of what your obligations are with permitted use of data. If you need to do one of these projects right now, if you click on this link, it'll take you to a spot where you can upload your contracts and automatically pull out permitted use of data clauses. And ideally, this will save you some work in this important obligation of making sure that you're doing with customer data what you said you would do with it.